If you use Grammarly and you want to check which accounts are linked to your profile, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. Knowing how to review your connected accounts is useful for account security, login management, and making sure the right social profiles are connected to Grammarly. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, navigate directly to your Grammarly account page. The fastest way is to sign into your Grammarly account from your browser, then open the account area where your profile and settings are managed. Once you're there, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Account, or in some versions, Profile Settings. This is where Grammarly keeps your main account controls and connection details. After that, go to the main dashboard area and look for a section labeled Connected Accounts or Linked Social Profiles. This section shows the services currently connected to your Grammarly account. Here, you should see badges or labels that highlight any linked Google, Apple, or Facebook accounts. Take a moment to review each one carefully so you know exactly what's connected. If you only wanted to check your linked accounts, then you're done at this point. But if you want to remove access, Grammarly makes that easy too. Simply click Unlink next to the specific social provider you want to disconnect. Grammarly may ask you to confirm your choice, so approve the change if you're sure you want to revoke that connection. Once unlinked, that social account will no longer be able to sign you in or remain connected in the same way. This is especially helpful if you've changed email addresses, stopped using a social login, or just want to keep your Grammarly account more secure. It's a good idea to review your connected accounts every so often, especially if you use multiple login methods across different apps and services. And that's how to check linked accounts in Grammarly and unlink them if needed. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.